This is the GOgroove-sonaverse-lyt. They are USB powered 2.0 channel stereo speakers. They do come in this nice white blue splatter color. They have a light up LED base, and they also come in the gray color. The ones we got out of the box are the gray ones. So they're about hand-sized speakers. No controls on them except for volume control in the back to turn the volume up and down. And they do have the LED bases that light up when they're powered on. One nice feature about them is the cords come with little Velcro ties so that you can keep your cords nice and arranged, because the cords are rather long. They do stretch out. For right now we just have them mocked up to the length that we need, but the Velcro adds a nice touch so you can keep your cords nice and put together. So the way these work is they plug into a USB power port for the power, and then a 3.5mm auxiliary jack for the sound. So these speakers will be compatible with computers, smartphones, MP3 players, tablets, any device that has a 3.5 jack for the sound, and then you'll just need to plug it into a USB port for power. So you can plug it into the USB port of your computer and then the headphone cord into the headphone jack, or what we're going to do in this video is be plugging the USB power into a USB AC adapter, which is not included with the speakers, but that's how we're going to get our power today. So once they are plugged in and receiving power, you'll notice that the bases are lighting up. It's kind of hard to see on the white table, but in a little bit more darkly lit room, the speakers' bottoms do glow, they do change colors. So once you have them powered up, you'll know by the lights going on, and you'll just plug your headphone jack into your audio source and press play on your music. So you can control the volume on your device that's plugged in, or by the volume knob on the back of the speaker. So they do get to a sufficient volume considering how small they are. There are 6 watts peak power between the two speakers. And so some possible troubleshooting tips: if the speakers aren't turning on, you want to make sure that the USB port you have them plugged into is powered. Try different USB ports, try a USB AC adapter, again that's not included. Any USB AC adapter rated at 5 volts will work, and you'll know they're on when the lights come on. If you don't hear any sound and the speakers are on, make sure that the volume on the back is turned up, and also make sure that the headphone jack cable is plugged all the way into your device. Sometimes if there's a case or a skin on a cell phone or an MP3 player, it'll not let the jack go in all the way. So if you're using it with a computer, make sure it's plugged in all the way into the into the AUX jack, as well as with the smartphone and MP3 player. And those are the Sonaverse-lyts.